Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to our weekly Market Insight series brought to you by the Capital Markets Trading Desk here at SunWest Mortgage Company. I've got a lot of news for you today, so let's get to it. It was an uphill climb on Wall Street this week as stocks struggled to gain traction. The major indexes were suffering losses until they were boosted on Thursday by tech stock. Investors showed concerns regarding the future path of interest rates after comments made by Fed Chair Jerome Powell at the last meeting. Last Thursday, he indicated that the central bank is in no hurry to ease monetary policy, given the economy's strong growth and solid labor market. The market uneasiness was increased by the rising geopolitical tensions between Ukraine and Russia. These events led investors to flee towards safer assets such as bonds and gold, driving yields lower. Builder sentiment improved for the third straight month in November, as home builders expect market conditions will continue to improve. The National Association of Home Builders Housing Market Index advanced 3 points to reach a score of 46 for the month. The index remains below the 50 level, indicating contraction, but it is the highest level since April's score of 51. All three components of the index were up. Future sales made the most improvement after jumping 7 points to 64. Current sales conditions rose 2 points to 49, and traffic of prospective buyers gained 3 points to reach 32. October's housing starts fell by 3.1% from September to a 1.3 million annual rate. The figures were below economists' expectations of 1.3 million. The drop can be partially attributed to a slowdown in construction activity in the South. Construction in the region slumped by 8.8% in the wake of two hurricanes. Building permits declined by 0.6% to 1.4 million during the month, below the 1.4 million forecast. Homes with permits where construction has not started also decreased, reducing the chances of improvement in the next month. Despite 4 straight weeks of increasing rates, mortgage applications rose 1.7% during the week ending November 15th. It was the second consecutive week of improvement after a 0.5% gain in the week ending November 8th. The refinance index was up 2% from the previous week and was 43% higher on a yearly basis. Purchase applications increased by 2% week to week, but were 1% lower when compared to the same week last year. The average 30-year fixed rate increased to 6.9% during the span, the highest level since July. Sales of previously owned homes rose in October by the most since February as buyers took advantage of a dip in mortgage rates. According to the National Association of Realtors, U.S. contracts closing increased by 3.4% from September to a 3.9 million annualized rate. Sales advanced 2.9% from 1 year ago, the first year-over-year increase in more than 3 years. Median home prices continue to rise on an annual basis, increasing 4% from October 2023 to $407,200. It marked the 16th consecutive month of year-over-year price increases. Initial jobless claims unexpectedly declined to a 29-week low during the week ending November 16th. The Labor Department reported that the number of Americans applying for unemployment fell by 6,000 to 213,000. The median forecast from economists called for 220,000 applications. However, continuing claims rose by 36,000 to 1.9 million for the week of November 9th. This week's continuing claims count was much higher than expected, and it is the highest level since November 2021. While the number of new people applying for jobless aid each week remains at historically healthy levels, continuing claims continue to grow. That suggests that demand for workers is waning, and those who are receiving benefits are finding it harder to land new jobs. And that's it for this week. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and to be notified every time we upload a new video, please subscribe. Your support of our channel is greatly appreciated. Have a fantastic weekend and happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Buffy out.